my people. Today's vlog is about Mother's Day. Yes, today is Mother's Day, and we'll be doing something special for our mother. We'll be taking her today to the spa. These are the special Mother's Day tickets in my hand, and we'll be showing you the brochure about the special that they're having today for mom. The brochure said, treat your mom special with a spa, facial, and body treatment. And these things are free for 2 hours on Mother's Day. Our mom needs to get ready for her 10 a.m. appointment and be back here around 1 p.m. to get ready for our annual Mother's Day dinner at our dad's Seapot restaurant. We are going to be heading down to the kitchen to make our mother a very special Mother's Day breakfast of oats, milk, ginger tea, and bread and butter. So guys, we're going to be heading down to the kitchen now, but I will be topping up this breakfast with a very nice flowers. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! Here's your Mother's Day breakfast and also the tickets to the spa that you're going today for Mother's Day. Mom, after you finish breakfast, you need to go upstairs and get ready. Because Auntie's going to be taking you to the spa while Rose and I finish to get something at Dad's restaurant for your Mother's Day celebration, okay? Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning, Roxie.
Auntie, I'm just giving you a reminder that you're picking up her mom for 10 today to take her to the spa.
Yeah, Roxie. I'm about to get ready in a sec.
So remember, don't be late now, and thank you.
You're welcome. It was no big deal. Anytime.
Mom! You need to hurry and get down here. Auntie's gonna be here any minute. Mom, you look really pretty. You're going to the spa. Why didn't you wear joggers? Oh, but you look really cute. Whoa, Mom, you look great.
I need to go get my purse.
That must be him right on time.
So, is your mom ready? We can leave right now. Beat the traffic before we're late.
Yes, she's coming.
I'm here, let's go.
Wow, Miss Rosie, you look good.
I'm calling her, but the phone keeps ringing and ringing. She needs to answer her phone. Hello? Hey, Cherry, where you at, girl? Her mom. Cherry car, let's go. You can't stop now. We're here. We're coming out. Oh, yes, yes, so. You're not gonna carry it long. Look, girls, the bakery shop is up ahead. We're almost there. Good day, we're here to pick up our mom's cake.
It's right here. Just I didn't find no touchies.
What's taking them so long? It's Sunday and it's a non-parking zone. Oh, Cherry sister, she doesn't have no patience. But Roxie, we all done say, wow, mom is gonna love all these cakes. The cake pretty. To be honest, the cake look nice, the restaurant look nice, everything just looks so nice. This is going to be a wonderful Mother's Day.
Close your eyes and relax. Breathe in and breathe out while I massage your face.
look, Anson car, he's here. Anson arrived really on time to help us with the decoration. I bet he's inside already setting up. Go away, bro, go away, go away. No! I can't believe I threw mommy cake in the water just because of that silly bird. What are we going to do now?
And the cake was really pretty too. So what your mom is going to see for Mother's Day now?
Don't worry, Trey and I are going to buy a new cake. You just finish the decoration, okay? Okay, be safe. See you in a little bit.
My face burning me. What is in the product?
You allergic to anything?
Where's Roxie and Cherry?
Boy, them gonna take it another cake because I see you go from knock the cake out of my hand. So them rush to see if they can get another one. Anson, you did really well on the place by yourself. Anyway, I'm gonna say hi to Daddy and see if I can help him in the kitchen.
Thanks. Okay, later.
Hey Dad, do you need any help?
Ma'am, I'll try to get the manager.
Wow, girls, your mom is gonna be so surprised.
Oh my god, everything looks so good.
The place looks